morning, student. I'm Rose. Today we are in the next session of this chapter, that is standard 7, history, chapter 3, the Sultans of the Delhi. Okay, so we were in the administration or comparative administration in the under the Alauddin Khilji and the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So we have already discussed some of the important topics, like we can say role of slaves in the administration and another the Ikta system. Today we are going to learn one more important topic, that is the divisions and the fortifications. So as we know, what are the difficulties which was faced by during the reign of the slave, or we can say how the Sultan used to buy the slave and how they used to appoint them as a governor of in different provinces, and what are the problems faced by this, and how the others or the other elites, or we can say upper class people, criticize the Sultan or look down upon the Sultan. Next, we have learned about the Ikta system. Ikta system is Ikta system is that we can say how the provinces were, how the kingdom was divided into different provinces, and we can say how this governor, what type of duty was being given to the governor, and to take the account of the governor, Sultan used to appoint the accountant. Okay, so these are the things which we have learned in the last video. Today we are going to learn, that is the deficiencies and the fortifications. Okay, so what is deficiencies and the fortification is that deficiencies are the upper class people, are some of the important samantas, local samantas, which were not under the direct control of the Delhi Sultanates, or not under the empire of the Delhi Sultans. Okay, so these were the upper class people, or the samantas, or the rich landowners. Okay, who were having the their own independent states, or independent we can territory provinces, which was being ruled, or we can say which was being taken over by different kings. Okay, so you can see large part of the subcontinent remained outside the Delhi Sultan. That means we can say the subcontinent, if we talk about India, like we say subcontinent, why it is called? Because during that time the India was not as the proper map. Yes or no? So you can see the subcontinent like Iran, Afghanistan, and then you have the China. These are the countries, or the neighboring countries, which comes inside the India. That is why it is called the subcontinent. So we can say the different the outside the we can say the neighboring countries, or we can say if you talk about the abroad, that means outside the India, like Afghanistan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Okay, so these are the subcontinents, these are the states, or the countries which was out of control. That means it remained outside the, we can say, out of control of Delhi Sultan. So some of the important difficulties which was faced due to this, because these all states, or these all countries were not under the under the control of the Delhi Sultan. So they were having a large empire. Okay, so from the center of Delhi, or we can say from the Delhi, they cannot see whole part of their empire. So they were having some of the important difficulties. Okay, so first difficulty, if you talk about, difficult to control. That means it was very difficult to control from long distance, because the empire, or we can say the countries which was having, they were having a small provinces, and some were so much away from the Delhi. So due to that, it was very difficult to control over the large part of the area which is very far away from the Delhi. Okay, the distant provinces like Bengal asserted independence. Okay, some of the distant provinces like Bengal, then you have Afghanistan, and you have the China type, or we can say the Myanmar. These are the areas. What happens? They were it was very away from the, it is very far away from the Delhi. So what they used to do, this governor who used to control these provinces asserted the independence. That means they did not. That means we can say they started conflict, or they did not obey the sultans. Due to what happened, they become so much powerful. They used to make their own army, or we can say they used to appoint their own army too, and they used to plunder more and more taxes from the common people. So due to what happened, they become so much rich, and they asserted the independence. That means they brought the empire from the states from the under the sultans. Okay, Another is that even in Gangatic plains, Sultan could not penetrate. Means we can say there were during the reign of Sultan or during the olden days there was so much thick forest. Okay, for example, in the Gangatic plain, that means Ganga, Yamuna, we can say there were various rivers, and there was so much thick forest. Due to that, what happened? These Cephisians are the what we call higher elites or the landowners of the Samantas. Sometimes what happened, they used to what we call hide in the forest. Okay, so what happens when they because these sultans used to force them to on their own authority. So what they used to hide, or we can say they used to take a revenge. So when they used to take when they were what we call they wanted to take the revenge, they used to penetrate, or we can say they used to they used to hide in the forest. Okay, so the sultan soldiers were unable to find, or we can say unable to search for them. So it was very difficult to penetrate, or we can say it is very difficult to find or search them in the dense forest. Okay, so these were the difficulties which was being faced. Okay, the local Cephisians used the forest, and this was the advantages of these local Cephisians or the local Samantas or the rich landowners who own the small provinces. Okay, local provinces. Okay, so due to that, they made the area. They took this thick forest as a advantages to hide from the sultans, or we can say the governors or other governors. Okay, so these was most difficult conditions for these sultans, or what we call sultans to take, or we can say on their own authority towards these all local Cephisians. Okay, and this Cephisians took the advantage, this thick forest as an advantage to what we call advantage to hide inside the forest, and they were unable this whenever that means whenever they come for in search of this local Cephisian, they used to hide inside the forest, or we can say thick bamboo what we call bamboo plants or the bamboo trees, the bamboo bushes. Okay, so they were unable to search for them. Okay, so these was what is the difficulties faced by the sultans to make them to on their own authority, or we can say to on the authorities, or make them force them to take the authority of sultans towards the Cephisians, or we can say higher landowners or the local Samantas. Okay, one example is that the Ebru Batuta. Okay, he is one of the traveler. Okay, he came during the reign of the Muhammad of Tughlaq. Okay, he explains about the local Cephisians and protected themselves. How these local Cephisians are these local Samantas used to protect themselves. Okay, so fortification. So what is that? This local Cephisians, or we can say this Samantas, local Samantas, what they used to do? The fortification themselves in mountains, rockies, and uneven rough places, living inside the forest covered from bamboo groves. Okay, so what they used to do, as he is stating that there were so much mountain hills, or we can say there were various up and downs, and there was so much thick forest. So these local Cephisians were very used to easily hide, or we can say protect themselves from this sultans, or we can say this the men of sultans. Okay, so this was. So, in this sense, they cannot substitute except the powerful army. So, what happened? That is how the sultans were unable to substitute their own authority towards the local Cephisians. So, this was the problem faced by the sultans during the reign of their own time. Okay, so in this topic we learn this much. In the next video, I will tell you about something, that is how this both Alauddin Khilji and the Muhammad bin Tughlaq respond towards the Mughal invasion, and how they compare. We will compare them with this all kind of things, and we will see you in the next video.